Hey everyone, Alyssa here with Russ Darrow Mazda of Greenfield again. It's National Car Month, so let's celebrate by taking care of our vehicle maintenance before the winter months roll in. Every vehicle owner should have a winter checklist. These are my top 5. Number 1, make sure your windshield wipers aren't worn and will be able to cut through the snow and ice this winter for the best visibility. Number 2, have your battery tested so you don't have to worry about your vehicle refusing to start in the extreme cold. Number 3, make sure your tires have enough tread or upgrade to winter tires. Winter tires are highly recommended because they have better grip than all-season tires, which is safer on icy roads. Number 4, get an oil change. It's important to have the right oil texture because oil tends to get a lot thicker in colder temperatures. And number 5, have your brakes inspected to ensure they're in top-notch condition and ready to face the challenges posed by winter weather conditions. There are other ways to get your vehicle prepared for winter as well, but these top 5 are a great way to get started. So why not get a head start and give our service department a call? They can get you scheduled with your next appointment and assist you with everything you need to feel confident on the road this winter. Happy fall season, and thanks for watching.